the Jonas Brothers. We're behind the scenes for their first Rolling Stone cover.
Yes, Ashlyn Gorse is going to show us the shots you will not see anywhere else.
It's incredible. We're so excited and we can't wait to see it on the actual magazine.
And here it is. It's official, the Jonas Brothers have arrived. In less than 1 year, the bros have gone from fledgling pop stars to rock pinnacle, landing on the cover of Rolling Stone. And he's behind the scenes of the Rocket photo shoot.
To be on the cover of Rolling Stone is probably one of the biggest honors of all time. Even be in one of the articles and to be on the cover is amazing, and we're so pumped.
The pics show Kevin, Nick, and Joe as a tight trio, but it's the candid shots from the road that give fans the inside look at life with the brothers Jonas. From their pre-show prayer circle to the photo Disney didn't want you to see. It's up-and-coming Disney diva Selena Gomez giving Nick a warm hug seconds before a show. Their rapid rise to fame makes them targets for the tabloids. The Miley-Nick rumor you've heard, but did you know evidently LC has a crush on Joe? And Kim K has got a thing for Nick? His response, I was honored, but Reggie Bush would kill me.
You, baby.
With their Rolling Stone hitting fans Friday and their first invitation to MTV's Video Music Awards, it looks like the JBs will outlast pop's sometimes short shelf life.
A couple years ago at this time, we were sitting in a minivan touring, and we played these small little clubs here and there. It was kind of tough. It wasn't as easy as it is now.